good morning. Welcome back to our channel. Today is day 10 of our ride, and today we are heading back from Amritsar to Delhi. Sorry we couldn't keep you updated about our last night dinner and post that. So we went to Kesar Da Dhaba. It was completely full. Like there were almost close to thousands of people standing in front and waiting for their time to come. आराम से 1-2 घंटा लग जाता to get our table. We thought it's not worth, so we decided to go back to the place where we had dinner earlier. So we had our food. I think it was Brothers Dhaba or something in that. The food was equally good, but by the time we came back to our room, we were completely exhausted and both of us didn't have energy to switch on the GoPro and talk. We just changed and straight away went back to sleep. So now it's almost 9:30 and Atul has gone to load the bike. Once it's done, we will just head out. So that's about it, guys. So we'll keep you updated about our journey today. Time to ride. Let's go. Still waiting. भी स्टफ्ड तवा आलू पराठा पूरा बटर स्प्रेड किया हुआ और ऊपर से बटर एक्स्ट्रा डाला हुआ लाइक स्लाइस ऑफ बटर। खा खा के पेट फट चुका है, लेकिन भाई साहब खाना टू गुड। द मोस्ट दैट आई विल मिस फ्रॉम दिस राइड इज द फूड। आउटस्टैंडिंगली ऑसम। अभी हम लोग एक ढाबा में रुके हुए हैं टू हैव अ ब्रेकफास्ट। बहुत भूख लग रही थी, लेकिन जितनी भूख लग रही थी उससे आई थिंक डबल ट्रिपल हम लोग खा चुके हैं। अतुल बोल रहा है कि वो और भी खा सकता है, खाना इतना अच्छा है। हाईवे एकदम बगल में ही है। तो एनीवेज ज़्यादा दूर नहीं आए हैं हम लोग अमृतसर से, मे बी सम 50 किलोमीटर एंड वी हैव अ लॉन्ग वे टू गो, अराउंड 420-415 किलोमीटर। जाते रहेंगे, घर ही पहुँचना है, खा लेते हैं। लोकल ढाबा में चाय पीने के लिए रुके हैं, भिंडी पी रहे हैं, कॉफ़ी। बट द वेदर आउटसाइड इज़ वेरी कोल्ड। सब जगह से थके हुए हैं, लाइक वी आर फुल्ली गियर्ड अप, लेकिन फिर भी ठंड लग रही है। तो ढूंढ रहे थे कुछ लोकल दुकान जहाँ पे हम लोग पूरा गर्म गर्म चाय पिए। फिर मैगडी देखे तो सोचे कि चलो ठीक है, मैगडी में कॉफ़ी पी लेते हैं। ऑलमोस्ट डन। अभी another 5 minutes and we'll leave. Delhi is now 240 kilometers and ETA बता रहा है somewhere around 7-7:30। बस हो गया, अभी के लिए इतना ही अपडेट। वापस आ गए। Good morning everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today is day 11 of our ride and we are traveling from Delhi to Sagar. Finally our chole kulche ride is here at an end and we are going home. As I said, our first destination today is Sagar, then tomorrow Nagpur, and then on the last day we would be doing directly from Nagpur to Bangalore. So it's almost around 9:30 a.m. in the morning, and we were supposed to start our ride a little early, but then we had to wait for a while because Google Map was showing that the entire expressway was red, which means I think there were a lot of fog and it was difficult for vehicles to move along in the expressway. So we thought we will wait out, we will give it some time and then we will start. Though we have almost close to 650 kilometers to do today, and Google Maps is already telling us that our ETA will be somewhere around 13 to 14 hours. So hopefully let's see how we can make it. We'll keep you posted. Initially I was excited to come in this highway, but अभी थोड़ा ज़्यादा बोर लग रहा है. चलते ही जा रहे हैं, चलते ही जा रहे हैं, चलते ही जा रहे हैं. अभी उस साइड का तो दिख नहीं रहा है क्योंकि इट्स अ बिग लेन, तो इस साइड का व्यू अच्छा ही है. देन सेम चीज़ देखी जा रहे हैं, रोड लगे जा रहा है. खाने पीने का भी ज़्यादा ऑप्शन है नहीं, भूख लगी है, सो विल हैव टू वेट नेक्स्ट जो भी ऑप्शन मिलेगा. So quick update about our ride today. There is a change in plan. We were supposed to go to Sagar, but we had to halt here in Jhansi because the road between Gwalior to Jhansi is so bad, like pathetic condition. There are 4-lane construction happening and a lot of places has too much of dust, no roads, pebbles, stones. Then there was one section which was completely filled with water, slush and knee deep mud. I fell down as well, so my riding boots, pants, everything had slush, mud, all possible dirt on it. I didn't fall from the bike, so since it was slushy and muddy, I got off the bike. Atul rode the bike and he was waiting for me, and I could not judge a particular place with how deep the mud was. One wrong step and I was like shit. But anyways, when you're on ride you cannot complain more. I got irritated, so we had to stop. I had to clean my boots because they were not at all in a shape where I could the hotel guys would definitely not let me enter the the room or the hotel premise. So all these things that happened, it was already 7:30 and we had another 220 kilometers to reach Sagar. So we thought it's not worth going all the way, pushing ourselves and reaching Sagar. We decided that we will halt here in Jhansi. Jhansi was another 30-40 kilometers away. We stopped at a safe place. We looked for a hotel. We got a hotel here in Jhansi, in fact a very good deal, so we immediately booked the hotel and so we came here. So our previous plan yesterday, as I said, was from Sagar to Nagpur. So now we have another 2 to 20 be added to that plan. So now we will be riding from Jhansi to Nagpur, which is almost close to 630 kilometers. Now we have ordered our dinner, so we are waiting for it. We are very tired, very frustrated, very irritated. At least I am very irritated. I had to come back, I had to take bath, clean all my the pans, the booths. So once the food come, we'll eat, and I think we'll just crash. Because kuch bhi ho, we have to start our ride tomorrow early. So both these 2 days, like tomorrow and day after, are a bit tough, because come what may, I have to be there in office by Tuesday. So we have to reach by Monday night. Hopefully kar lenge. Anyways, we will keep you posted. Hello friends, good morning. New day again, and we are going to go a little more closer to home. We'll be riding from Jhansi to Nagpur today. Roads are kind of okay, I guess. So hopefully we should make it to Nagpur around 6-7 p.m. Let's see, we'll keep you posted. Abhi to nikalna hai. Bye bye.
अभी कुछ मिल जाएगा खाने को?
जी
खाने को मिल जाएगा?
जी बिल्कुल।
गाड़ी नहीं लगानी है?
हम लोग सागर पहुंच गए. द रोड फ्रॉम झांसी टू सागर दे आर रियली गुड. कुछ सेक्शंस ऐसे हैं जहाँ पे थोड़ा कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्क चल रहा है, बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट द रोड्स आर ब्रिलियंट. सो वी कितना टाइम लगा, लाइक ऑलमोस्ट 220 किलोमीटर्स वी फिनिश्ड इन सम 2 hours 15 minutes, 2 hours 30 minutes, समथिंग लाइक दैट. अभी ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए रुके हैं. वी आर काइंड ऑफ लिटिल हंग्री. तो बीच में ज़्यादा ऐसा कुछ अच्छा दुकान या रेस्टोरेंट मिला नहीं जहाँ पे हम लोग बैठ के खा सके. ये कुछ रिजॉर्ट काइंड का प्लेस है, तो वी थॉट वी विल स्टॉप, विल हैव आवर ब्रेकफास्ट हियर एंड फिर आगे चलते रहेंगे. धूप अच्छा है. इट्स नॉट बाइटिंग कोल्ड, बट या यू कैन फील द कोल्ड एयर इन द एटमॉस्फेयर. तो बाहर बैठ के अच्छा लग रहा है. इट्स लाइक सोकिंग सनलाइट. विटामिन डी जादू बन गया है. नागपुर इज़ अनदर 428 किलोमीटर्स एंड हम लोगों ने ETA जो 7 बोल रहा था, हमने उसको कवर करके अराउंड 5:30 कर दिया था. तो अभी शायद फिर थोड़ा ये हो जाएगा, बट देन इट्स अगेन लाइक आई थिंक द रोड्स आर गुड, तो वी शुड बी देयर बाय अराउंड 6:30 7, बिकॉज वी हैव टू इंक्लूड लंच एज वेल देयर. तो देखते हैं, होपफुली जल्दी पहुंच जाएंगे. बाय द वे हम लोग वी हैव स्टॉप्ड in a place called Pathway Retreat Resort. This is some 10 kilometers before you enter Sagar. By the way, highway है तो you will bypass Sagar. We will not be entering Sagar. City को bypass करके फिर जाएंगे. So this is on the highway. भूख लगी है, खाना लाओ. GoPro stop recording. अभी और 170 के आसपास है नागपुर पहुंचने में. सो वी माइट रीच बाय 6 PM. जल्दी पहुंच जाएंगे आज. Guys, we have reached Nagpur. We reached here around 5:30, so it was kind of good that we reached here almost when it was daylight. We took 9 hours to reach from Jhansi to Nagpur. Roads were in pretty much in good shape. Like I think only when we entered Page National Park, where there was a bit of bad roads because of the 4-lane highway construction. Apart from that, roads were brilliant, doable. The only thing that we had to be really cautious about were the cattle, the cows, dogs. There were many incidents where the dog just came running and we had to apply hard brake, where suddenly a cow came and we had to apply hard brake. Apart from that, it was a good experience. Now the daunting task is coming tomorrow, where we have to cover almost 1100 kilometers. We have to go from Nagpur to Bangalore. We are planning to start early in the morning, say around 5. Though we have done such kind of long distances earlier as well, when we covered Vishakhapatnam to Bangalore via Chennai. But again, let's see. So we have ordered our dinner. We're waiting for it to come, so we'll have food, we'll sleep early and try to wake up as soon as possible tomorrow and head home. Might not be able to give you much updates tomorrow, because most of the time we will be on the go, but जब भी मौका मिलेगा we will keep you posted. So you guys take care and good night. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to our channel. So the last and final leg of our ride. As I said, we will be riding today from Nagpur to Bangalore. It's almost 5:30 a.m. We are half an hour or 45 minutes late to start the ride. But nonetheless, we are starting the ride now. देखते हैं कब तक घर पहुंच पाते हैं. We'll keep you posted. Finally we reached home. अच्छा लगा आज का राइड करके, because for 1100 kilometers from Nagpur till Bangalore, Google was predicting somewhere close to 18-19 hours, but we could finish it in 17 hours. कोई ज़्यादा मेजर थकान या फिर एग्जॉशन नहीं है. We reached just 10 minutes back, around 11:05 or something like that. So इसके पहले कि we start arranging stuff and call it a day, I thought let me close this video. Sorry we couldn't keep you posted throughout the day. हमें लगा कि let us reach home पहले and then we can cover up all the updates. So quickly I would let you know कि नागपुर से Bangalore the roads are in very good condition, rideable condition, बहुत ही अच्छे हैं. थोड़ा अगर खुद को push करे तो you will reach well within time. Breakfast तो हम लोग ऐसा कुछ specific किए नहीं. We stopped at a petrol station. उसके बगल में ही there was a small tea stall. तो अंकल ने वहाँ पे हमें गरम गरम पूरी, दाल, चिप्स एंड हम लोग वहाँ पे टी पी लिए. So that was good enough so that we can stay up till lunch, push ourselves, reach Hyderabad and then have our lunch there. लंच हम लोगों ने किया जस्ट आफ्टर एग्जिटिंग हैदराबाद सिटी. लंच हम लोग किए हैदराबाद हाउस में. टू लेट यू नो, हम लोग 6 o'clock को नागपुर से स्टार्ट किए थे इन द मॉर्निंग एंड वी रीच्ड हैदराबाद अराउंड समवेयर अराउंड 12:15. बट बिकॉज वी कुड नॉट टेक द एक्सप्रेस वे, क्योंकि वहाँ पे 2 व्हीलर्स 3 व्हीलर्स अलाउड नहीं है, तो वी हैड टू टेक द एंटायर सिटी रूट टू रीच द हाईवे, लाइक यू नो, टू एग्जिट द सिटी एंड रीच हाईवे। तो उसमें हम लोग का थोड़ा टाइम वेस्ट हो गया। उसके बाद अराउंड 2:15 to 2:20 को हम लोगों ने वहाँ से स्टार्ट किया फ्रॉम हैदराबाद, एंड देन वी वेर हियर इन बैंगलोर समवेयर अराउंड 10:30, एंड देन क्योंकि इट वाज ऑलमोस्ट अराउंड 10:30 तो ज़्यादा ट्रैफिक हमें मिला नहीं, वी स्किप द पीक ट्रैफिक आवर एंड वी वेर होम बाय अराउंड 11:05। बीच में हम लोग आनंदपुर क्रॉस करने के बाद थोड़ा रुक भी गए, वी हैड सम चाय एंड स्नैक्स। तो अभी जैसे भूख लगी है नहीं, सो वी विल क्विकली क्रैश, क्योंकि कल सुबह सुबह मुझे ऑफिस भी जाना है। सो होप यू गाइज एन्जॉयड दिस इंटायर सीरीज ऑफ आर छोले कुलचे राइड। दिस इज NB21 along with Atul signing off. You guys take care, good night. So see you in our next video.